I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter, a career and leadership coach, the head coach for JobSearchCoachingHQ.com. For those of you who are relatively early in your career, you may be stuck at this point, not knowing quite what to do, hitting your head against the wall. You've got an engineering or some version of technical degree. Your school has sold you a bill of goods and you're starting to get resentful. That's a story I have heard so many times. I feel badly. I really do. And the thing that the school hasn't told you is how hard it is to launch, because they keep telling you that you should be doing certain types of work, and the doors seem to be closed to you. You can't afford to wait. You've got to get rolling. And there's an industry that you're probably not considering that has more than 6 million positions open, that has a history of hiring people like you, engineering or some version of technical skills, fresh out of school, that has bad press to it because we associate it with things that no longer are true. And the industry is in manufacturing, which is now very much a high-tech industry. I want to encourage you, if you were launching, like if you just gave up and tried to find something like in a restaurant or something that doesn't involve your degree, you'd make about $10 to $15 an hour depending upon where you were in the country. And if you launch in manufacturing, it's $15 to $25 an hour with an upside to it. You'll get trained. You'll learn the equipment. Now, there are places where you can do that preemptively, where you can get training. But fundamentally, manufacturing is no longer a blue-collar role. It's no longer what you were raised to believe it is. There's a lot that's very technical, and as you progress, compensation becomes more like $25 to $50 an hour. Is it $300,000 a year? No. Absolutely not. But there are opportunities for you in manufacturing where they're finding it hard to find people. You might go to some of the tech schools in your area to see what they tell you is necessary to launch for your type of background in manufacturing. They'll give you some guidance. Places like Goodwill may as well, because they have job training programs. You don't have to do that. Learn first what you need to know and then work from there. Again, 6 million jobs open in manufacturing. Don't ignore that. Hope you found this helpful. I'm Jeff Altman. Visit my website, thebiggamehunter.us. There's a lot more there that you can watch, listen to, or read. That'll help you find work more quickly. You can also go to my YouTube channel at jobsearchtv.com. That brings you to the channel. You can subscribe there, get notices whenever I release a new video, and subscribe to my podcast, No BS Job Search Advice Radio, the #1 podcast in Apple Podcasts about job search by far. Have a great day and take care.